Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior. This is first part of video lecture for class 7, Geography, chapter 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Student, this chapter is started by memories of Salima. She had been to trip of Himalaya, and while she was climbing up, she noticed change in vegetation. Why? When she went higher altitude, she didn't find any large vegetation or large trees. But at starting means at the foothill of Himalaya, she found very dense forest. Above that, they found coniferous trees, and above that, they found only grasses with yellow flowers. Why these changes happened? Student, vegetation of any places depends on duration of sunshine, thickness of soil, amount of rainfall, and capacity of soil to retain water. And on these factors, types of vegetation vary from place to place. Student, today we will study about tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Tropical evergreen forest. Extent of tropical evergreen forest is from equator to tropics. Equator to tropics means from equator to Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These places have heavy rainfall throughout the year, and this place have very much sun duration. Sun shine perpendicularly over these places. Climate of this place is warm and humid, and these conditions were very favorable for forest, for vegetation. So these places have densest forest in the world. You will be amazed to know that forest of Brazil is so dense and so large that it is compared as lungs of the earth. Why lungs of the earth? Purifying agent of air. What is function of lungs? To purify air. As this forest is very large and dense, this acts as purifying agent. That's why we call this forest lungs of the earth. Student, these forests are so dense that even sunlight cannot penetrate. Sunlight cannot reach onto the ground. And trees in this forest are rosewood, ebony, mahogany, etc. Why this forest is called evergreen forest? Trees of this forest do not shed their leaves all at once. I am not saying that they do not shed their leaves. They shed their leaves not all at once. Means they shed their trees one by one. That's why these forests remain green throughout the year. That's why this is the reason we call this forest as evergreen forest. Now comes to tropical deciduous forest. Student, tropical evergreen forest is also known as rainforest. Tropical deciduous forest is also known as monsoon forest. Means the country or the places which experience monsoon climate must have deciduous forest. India, Australia, Northern Australia, Central America. These places have deciduous forest. And as these places experience hot climate, they shed their leaves to conserve water. Why they shed their leaves? They shed their leaves to conserve water. And trees found in this forest are sal, neem, teak, etc. And animals found in this forest are tiger, lion, langur, monkey, etc. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with corona.